Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here live in Las Vegas for SEMA 2018. Yeah, up top.
How you doing?
There we go. We're doing great. Hey, it's Kyle at SEMA 2018 with Midwest Aftermarket. We are here in the ProComp booth alongside Jeff, showing us all the cool products that ProComp has this year. How's it going, Jeff?
Great.
Absolutely. So let's see. We're taking a look at the Chevy. What's up on here, man?
We've got our 6-inch lift kit. All new truck for 2019. So we've got new kit with 20-inch wheels, 35-inch tires, straightforward package. We've got more details on the wall if you want to see them.
Absolutely, yeah. And this thing looks completely gorgeous too. So we're taking a look at the wheels. We're taking a look at the lift kit. What else is on here?
We've got a Smittybilt Bumpers, so we'll bring our Smittybilt rep in to show you that, but you might do a close-up to have a look at that. That's been a favored feature for the show.
Oh yeah, we're going to be taking a close-up look at that as well.
We can cruise around to the back, see the Smittybilt bumper.
Yeah, let's go around to the back here.
Also got the Smitty M1a2 side steps.
That is absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm looking at this. It says the 6-inch lift is the first to market. Really?
That's correct. We've got product on the shelf now. So
talk about taking a step ahead of the competition, right?
Yeah. So that's
cool. So we're taking a look at the side step here. What about the back?
Back of the lift is a straightforward package, rear lift blocks, so simple installation and industry standard.
Which is obviously music to the ears.
Right. Installers like that. But in the back for their SEMA vehicle, we've got our M1a2 Bumper.
Now, I like this because the footstep on the back bumper, obviously the new hotness in the business. You guys are have taken that one step farther with this retractable step here.
That's correct.
Cool, yeah.
Full manual unit, so you do have to get down here and loosen that up far enough, but all tucked in and ready to go.
Yeah, you're certainly going to be happy that's there when you need it, right?
That's right.
So what else is going on with this guy back here, man? This is solid.
Again, the Smitty crew can get you more of the details on that as you work your way through the booth.
Sure, and we'll be talking to them in just a bit. So is this everything for ProComp this year?
From ProComp and Smittybilt for the new Chevy.
Absolutely. Well, we're going to come over and talk to Smittybilt here in just one sec. Thank you so much, Jeff. We got some more?
We have some more.
Okay, let's take a look at it.
So other details for the new Chevy truck. One of the nice carryover items from the previous generation is our 2 1/4-inch leveling kit. So for the guy that just wants to level the thing off and do the upsized tire, we've got that covered.
Boom, you're good to go.
We'll step over here to the Ram.
Okay. Oh, look at this gorgeous, gorgeous truck here.
So 2019 Ram 1500. We've got a 6-inch kit, first to market. It's been on the shelf for about 30 days now. This particular truck, again, 20-inch wheels, 37-inch tires, and one of the nicest riding lifted trucks you're going to find ever.
Oh yeah, definitely looks like it. And once again, being the first to market with that 6-inch lift, that's got to be a big deal for you guys.
It is a big deal. Well, with the Chevy, we've been building Chevy kits for 30 years. Have been one of the best-selling GM kits that long. So to be first to market is anticipated from our consumers, and we've delivered an excellent package.
Absolutely, and that's why they continue to come back. Now I see that you're walking around to the front of the Ram here. Anything else going on?
This has the full M1a2 package from Smittybilt. Up front, we've got new steering knuckles, perfect steering geometry. These new trucks are sensitive with stability control. You have to get the steering geometry spot on to keep everything functioning like you want it.
I'm going to take your word for it because I was never good at geometry.
Me neither, but our engineers are, and they've dialed it in perfectly.
That's exactly what it's all about. What's going on over here?
M1a2 Bumper. This one's built just for the show. This one will likely be revised by the time it sees production. So
cool. Well, it's already looking pretty sweet at the moment here. I'm liking that, man. That is pretty slick. Going down the road, people are definitely going to notice you there, right?
Yep. You got all the lighting you'll need and even some more in there.
Right, yeah. And all of the style that you could ever want. Before we move on to Smittybilt, is there anything else from ProComp?
We've got new 2-inch spacer kits for Jeep JL. We've got 2.5-inch coil spring kits, and then 4 to 5-inch coil spring kits.
So you guys have definitely been doing your homework on some of these new models coming out, right?
We have. That's what we've been doing for the last 30 years. And
30 years and many, many more. Thank you very much. We're now seeing what's in the ProComp booth. We're going to be checking out Smittybilt in just one sec, and make sure that you come back for that. I'm Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and we'll see you soon.